Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is 12:16 on Wednesday, January 30th. I don't know if you can see that on my screen. Which means that in just under 45 minutes, the Jeffree Star Mystery Boxes Round 2 will launch here on the Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you've been on my channel, then you know that I made a video about this last time the mystery boxes launch called Jeffree Star Mystery Box, My Thoughts. In that video, I pretty much just called everyone who ordered a mystery box and were complaining about it stupid. I'll leave it up in one of the cards so you can go check it out if you want to. But that video blew up, and that was without me even having the mystery boxes. Like, it got 500 views in a night, but then after that it just kind of plateaued at 6 something. But this time I thought that I would partake in the madness, so I have an alarm set for 5 till 1 so I can go ahead, get on the website, and then refresh the page as soon as it launches and try to get both mystery boxes. Now, already on Twitter, Jeffree has released statements about how this time around the mystery boxes are going to be much better and they're more prepared. So I'm just going to read what I can find from his account right now. So he announced these mystery boxes a while back, and they're supposed to be Valentine's Day boxes. There is a premium box that is $40 with $75 worth of savings, and a deluxe mystery box that is $75 with $115 worth of savings. In the premium, it says it may include liquid lipstick, lip ammunition, highlighters, and exclusive accessory. And in the deluxe box, liquid lipstick, lip ammunition, lip liner, highlighters, exclusive accessory, and an exclusive t-shirt. On January 29th, he tweeted out saying that the premium and deluxe boxes have completely different products in them, and they're already made and ready to ship. No long delays. We're prepared. So excited. So obviously Jeffree has learned from his mistakes with the past box. If you don't know anything about that, brief recap. Basically, people were having trouble with their shipments because instead of making them beforehand, they were making them as people ordered them, and also a lot of the boxes contained the same items in them, which people were upset about. Again, covered that in my other video if you want to go watch that. But this time he has said on Twitter and on Snapchat, I'm not a drama channel, so I don't keep receipts. I just seen it and I'm gonna say what I saw. He said that for sure there should not be any repeats this time, because he has learned from this past launch. So hopefully I can get a hold of one premium and one deluxe. If not, I guess the video ends here, and I'll still talk about them if I don't. But it is now 12:20. We have like 40 minutes until the launch. I'm gonna get on there as soon as it launches and hopefully get the boxes. I will come back and let you know what I got, if I got anything, so just stay tuned. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so I clicked them and I had them both in my cart. I went to check out and now y'all crashed the website. Oh my god. Ugh. So I have been stuck on this page now for almost 15 minutes. A lot of people are having the same problem where they get to this point in checkout for shipping and it does this. Someone told them they got it through in 8 minutes, but I'm still here at 15. Hoping this gets fixed soon. People are already saying it's sold out, but if I look on my phone, it's still available on the Jeffree Star website, so we'll find out. So, I'm still stuck on that shipping page. I keep looking at it, and it just keeps saying getting available shipping rates. On Twitter, people are saying that the deluxe box is now sold out. And I got on my phone on a private window, and so like it wouldn't be on my account and it wouldn't show that I already had stuff in my cart. I go onto this private window to look at Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and sure enough, you can still put the item in your cart but when you go to check out, it says, oh, this isn't available anymore, we'll remove it. And to just get the premium box is $40, and the cheapest shipping method is $12. Excuse me? So, I'm hoping that maybe my box was reserved since I'm this far in the checkout process. If it wasn't, then I think that is bull crap. I'm almost angry enough to say the actual curse word, but we're gonna keep it PG today. Because I've been sitting on this page for like 30 minutes now, so I've been on Jeffree Star Cosmetics website trying to check out since 1 p.m. when the items launched. So I don't know why other people would get prioritized over someone who's been in the checkout process longer. Does that make sense? Like, not to sound entitled or anything like that, but like, it doesn't make sense to me. Why would you allow newer orders to go through first when there's someone who's been waiting in checkout for 30 minutes? So yeah, if I can't get both of them, then I'm not gonna get either of them, and we'll just talk about the drama later. Alright, so it is true that the deluxe boxes did sell out, but girl, we ain't gonna let that stop me today. No, I really just popped off because, like I said, to get one premium box would have been $12 shipping. To get 3 premium boxes, not 1, not 2, but 3 premium boxes was just going to be $5 more than if I would have got a premium and a deluxe. So girl, I just bought 3 of the premium Jeffree Star mystery boxes. My bank account is shaking. My mom will probably kill me when she sees this video, but it's good content, good drama, because Jeffree told us that the items are going to be different. So if I end up with 3 boxes of the same thing, that's gonna be some tea. But I will say right now, if I do get any repeats, it's not a big deal, because you know what we're gonna do with it? We're gonna do another awesome giveaway. So wish me luck, and I will see you guys when the mystery boxes get here. Actually, before I leave to not be seen again until the boxes get here, let me call my grandmother and let her know that something is on the way for me, because for some reason it said that my dorm is not a valid shipping address, and so I had to send it to her house. And I'm not gonna tell her that it's all makeup because she might kill me, but let's just call her and see what happens.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I was watching TV. Trying to stay warm. What are you doing?
I'm just laying in bed.
Laying in bed. I'm sitting in a chair.
Well, I was just calling to let you know that I have something coming to your house, like a an order, because the website, for some reason, it wouldn't let me put in my dorm. Like I said, it was an invalid address.
Did you just go in the mailbox, or did you just drop it off?
No, they'll probably have to drop it off either at the mailbox, or they'll probably bring it up to the house.
What'd you order from? Ultra?
No.
Oh.
Okay. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
She asked if it was Ulta or Sephora, and I said no, but then she didn't ask what it was, if it wasn't Ulta or Sephora, so we're good. Hi, hello. Right now I'm editing, and okay, this video is already like 8 or 9 minutes long, so I think what we're gonna do is cut it here, and this will be part 1, the process of buying and ordering and all that jazz, and then part 2 will be the straight up unboxing. That way it makes it easier for people who just want to see the unboxing and not all this information. The situation right now is that I'm seeing a lot of people saying that they think that oh goodness, a lot of people are saying that just the deluxe and premium are separate from each other. Like they have different things in them. Not that each premium is different, each deluxe is different. So that means I may have just purchased 3 of the kind. I'll show you the screen recording of exactly what Jeffree had to say, because I did go and look at that, where he did say that it's the deluxe and the premium that are different.
Alright, y'all ready to dive into the tea? So the premium box will be retailing for $40 tomorrow, and the deluxe bad boy will be retailing for $75. Now the big one does have an exclusive t-shirt, and this one has an exclusive item. Both boxes will have separate items, so if you get this and this, they will not be the same. Last time y'all gave me the feedback, listened. Now, shipping delays, there will be none, because these are already ready, so we don't have to pre-make them like the last time where we took days and days to make them. Baby, we are way more prepared now. We listened to everyone's feedback, so thank you so much. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. on my website, beach!
But I feel like the premium should be different as well, because that's what people had a problem with last time. Everything was the same in each tier. Like, I personally wouldn't mind getting the same lipstick or same sort of item in a different tier than another. But the problem was that each unboxing was exactly the same. Like, if you got the cheapest one, then all of the cheapest ones had the same. And if you got a middle tier, they were all the same. If you got a high tier, they were all the same. It's not that, like, we were worried about them being separate from each other. We just want to make sure that we don't buy 2 and then end up with repeats. So if he makes this mistake again, it's going to be very upsetting. At this point, right now, what I've got going on with the people on Twitter, I have tweeted Jeffree 3 or 4 times asking him for sure whether or not the premiums will be different from each other or if they're all the same. He hasn't responded. I tried on Instagram as well, never responded. Tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics, 2 or 3 of their posts, because they're more interactive than Jeffree is. They never responded. So I emailed the customer service about product information at what there was 2:30 Pacific time. So they're open until 5 or 6, I think it said, Pacific time, but it'll be around 48 hours that I'll get a response. If I don't get a response in 48 hours, I guess I'll just keep emailing again. But if someone does respond and it turns out that they are the same, I guess I'll mention that and we'll talk about that in the next video. There's nothing I can do about it right now. It's already been done. So if I get 3 boxes of a kind, then we're gonna have a great giveaway. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this doesn't end up in my downfall for ordering 3 of the same thing. And I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.